Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Passport key fob battery. It's a simple process that takes only a few minutes. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt lithium coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. These items are commonly found at most hardware or electronic stores. Let's get started with the first step. The first step is to access the emergency key. On the back of your Honda Passport key fob, you'll find a small release latch. Simply slide this latch over, and the hidden metal emergency key will pop out. Carefully pull this key completely free from the fob. This emergency key is not only for manual entry, but also serves as a handy tool for the next step in our battery replacement process. Now let's open the key fob. With the buttons facing down to prevent them from falling out, insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into the seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Gently twist the tool to pry the case open. Once separated, locate the old CR 2032 battery. Carefully remove it and insert your new battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upward. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, including locking, unlocking, and remote start, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.